Cinderella Blonde Kofi, aka Cecilia Evangelist Kasawale. Meda obi biara se, and then I see who na me de ma mo esan say, mo a mo boa me, and a mo a mo de mpai what time echi. Yakopon shira obi biara, ordination na me ba be ordination me de tuja. Yamie no kwani aboafo eso wase bebre. Me kasa me bodi a ade be chi me mienu. Ade be chi yen. Obi biara wo yi ne sempoa ne kapre ede boa me biara Yakopon nshira mo. No onye na koma so ade ma no. On peja ne ko aduma dum nshira mo. Esense Yakopon aduma na Ewrade de me Yakopon de me beye no. Eye aduma se Yakopon anam so anboa me a aduma no me ko mintimi nye efa sika fam no mintimi nye esense Yakopon aduma ye diska na eye obeya so de ba bibia obeko kanya me asem spinners ne niam a obetoto kra bodi nyina eye Ewrade asem eni nyina eye sika sem enti me da wase bebre me da wase wiase afa na nyina bi ni obi bia wiase ba bia mfrim wiase afa na nyina mo che Kasawale TV mo a mo che me Evangelist Kasawale Yakopon enhira mo odoso ko a mo ma me me damase wo ya de ma me ni so ye papa me ni aso ama me ko to je na me bom pa ya me se di wo yi bi biara efri ni pocket a wo nwinwi ho Yakopon enhira mo esanse wo yi free odomu wo hu se ade Yakopon de be beye no eye ade a esobo a eye kese a Yakopon be nam so ati akraba ni enti mo so wo ni de biara da mo de osie yoyo eboa no sika famu Yakopon hira mo won hira mo biem no se hira mo biem won hira mo mane mroso me de Yakopon enhira ede mamo me da wase bebre me da wase me be se be kani bebre na se mbuto akoko boko broko ewiase fa na nyina ade kwachiwa wona wo ti sa de wo mframa mu a no wo se Evangelist Kasawale ene de asida ena mframa mu ede bre wo bibiara a wo yi ni sika ede bo ordination no Yakopon enhira mo na me ka ordination so achi no enche Christmas e beba donation e be koso sani ya munyi na Kasawale TV donation a me ye afi bia no me de beto platform ne so e ma mu me beto platform no so wo bia mu wo want donation ye be yi kakra afa video ya me kasa mu no e be yi kakra dia fo ma hu ade a ye di sika no e de ye ebo Nyankafo me no mi e twase ye bo wo mate donation aben and your October, November, December, and check a bank, Miss Rowan, you free. Kakra walk, say ya diane, say ya tadia. A dear be a war with just a bit media war, Sikafem, our bit media war. Amia, Koya, Abraya, Ama in Yankafo, Miss Ramo, and you free. Kasawale TV, Christmas year, babe. I said, yeah, say, see ye, dear, or see a Kenyan Kafo, which I saw you won't be dear. The son said, "So we are Yakopon the shop and I know Yakopon or the mom home. Do ye the Biamacasa? We are a mimi the Bianada. The son said, you will, you know, a rat and man a mimi, when we are for a coma pa, and front of donation, ya baby, and your ordination, idiot, Yakopa Yardom, my yam and one I said, I'm a young, but we donation a ya pakoye ama Nyankafo Christmas year ebe besram obia fa ne to boamra e na ba no le bu screen na se no e 0244 989 119 0+233 244 989 119 Momo number no edini so e wase edini beba Cinderella Kofi sana edini bede e baba ni nyina na ku asie no na mesda mo so obi wo hono mo a oni se ne si use mumu e wo wiase afa na nyina obi won ma di se Western Union anase MoneyGram anase Braille bebi bia wo de befa a ebebe biara no mesrɛ wo de yi saa number we WhatsApp saa number we na me more information no send ye be ya wobetimi dia fa Western Union and I say MoneyGram and I say Ray mesrɛ mo, let's all help the children, the needy. They really need our help. We should help them from our hearts. Please, let's support them. It's you and me that we have to support them. You can support them with money. Anything that touches your heart. Clothes, food, anything that you can use to support them. They are motherless, fatherless. It's me and you that we need to give it to them. December is near. The donation is also near. We need to donate to the orphanage. Please, try to send some money for them. We will buy things for them. There are so many things that the children need from us. So let's support me. Support me with money, anything, like I said. Money, food, clothes, anything that you have or anything that you want to support with, you are welcome. You can send the money through this number, +233 244 989 119. You can send it through Momo or Western Union or Ray or MoneyGram. If you want to have more information about it or how to send the money through the Western Union and MoneyGram, just text this number, WhatsApp me on this number. I will respond you. I will give you the information that you need so that you can send the money and we help the needy. And I know that my God that we serve, He will bless you. And the money that you give, He will multiply it for you. Please, let's help the needy. Let's help the orphans. Kasawale TV, do always do this donation. Christmas, every Christmas, that's what we do. We help the needy. We help the people that they need our help. The children that they are suffering. Motherless children, fatherless children. It's me and you that we need to support them. Please. You drink, you eat, you gather yourself with your family. Ask yourself, do they have family to also enjoy with? They don't have. We are their families. We need to support them. Let's support them and God will bless you. Just pick this number and WhatsApp me. You get more information from it. And you can follow me as well on Instagram, Cinderella Blonde Kasawale. Cinderella Blonde Kasawale. Or Facebook. Or Facebook, Cinderella Blonde. Yes. You get more information from there. Or if you want to text me, you can text me from there. We can chat, we can chit-chat. Just text me. And let's talk about the needy. Thank you. Thank you. I love you all. And thank you for everything that you do for me. Your support, your prayers and everything. God bless you all. Ich danke euch. Ich liebe euch. Als ich sage, den Kindern, die brauchen unsere Hilfe. Lasst uns die Kinder helfen. Die Kinder brauchen unsere Hilfe. Ich bitte euch. Wir werden im Dezember den Kindern Sachen geben. Die brauchen unsere Hilfe. Lasst uns denen helfen. Neben diese Nummer oder rufe oder texte unter diesen Nummer 0 plus 233 244 989 119. Ruf mich an unter diese Nummer oder text mich unter diese Nummer, wenn du mehr Informationen möchtest. Du kannst unter diese Nummer texten. Ich bitte euch, die Kinder brauchen unsere Hilfe. Die Kinder, die haben keine Eltern, die brauchen unsere Hilfe. Lass uns denen helfen. Amen will zusammen die Kinder helfen. Ich danke euch, ich liebe euch alle. Ich danke euch, ich mag euch alle. Thank you very much for your support and everything. That will be biarasi. So support me, Kasawale Foundation no. Mumi na yemboa. Na minim se ochie famudie na wushima minim se emma no so no Nyankopon obefa ho edi hyirawo asa abon ho bai Nyankopon hyirawo. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye. Tschüss. Ich danke euch.